Hey guys, in this video, we're going to discuss how you can make your listing higher on Airbnb. So, one would be to go ahead and use professional photography. Look, you want to use a high resolution, well lit photos to basically showcase your property, right? And you need to highlight its best features. So let me click on mine. I'll show you what my photos look like. And you need to include both the exterior, the interior spaces, and also local attractions that actually might be there. So this is my photos, as you can see, very professionally done. We'll click on show all photos. As you can see, I am showing the exterior, the interiors, all the amenities, also, the local location. You also need to write a compelling title and description. You need to create a concise, catchy title and write a detailed description basically highlighting, right? Look at this, self check-in, high end, clean, hosting for 8 years, right? You want to attract the attention, detail and highlight the unique selling points, amenities, nearby locations. Maybe look at this crazy front range home, right? Some people say things like the house from across the park. You're letting them know of the location of the landmark, in the CBD, right? In the main center. You want to put in the things like that. Now, you also need to have competitive pricing. Look at this, $60 a night, $43 a night, right? And we want to analyze similar listings in your area, and you're going to set a price that is attractive to guests while still providing you with a profitable margin. And you need to have instant book option. Let me show you. So if I come here and go to filters, I can check the instant book options where I'll be able to instantly book any place, right? So you want to enable this instant book feature to make booking easier for guests and potentially increase your visibility. That is usually what I go ahead and do when I am booking. And also you need to have responsive communication. You want to respond to inquiries promptly and professionally to basically demonstrate reliability and good hosting practices. And you also need to have some positive reviews, right? Because you need to prioritize providing excellent guest experiences to basically encourage positive reviews, which significantly impact your ranking. And you want to make sure your listings are actually accurate. You want to ensure, all the information about your property, including amenities, all the rules. So, for example, if I open up this and if I show you my own listing as well, if I show you the amenities, look at this. Everything here, guys, is true. You want to put in rules. If you have any rules, put them in here. Be upfront with people. If you have a cancellation property, make sure everything is accurate. Make sure everything is up to date. And you need to highlight the location as well. Look at this. Conveniently located minutes from downtown. You see this? You want to emphasize the unique aspects of your location, like proximity to popular landmarks, public transportation, and local landmarks, like we saw with that guy who had his place opposite the park, right? And it's really that easy and simple.